Are you fed up with being a slave to a disgusting habit? Would you like to give up cigarettes with no weight gain or cravings? We can help you end this destructive habit in just one session. Thousands have stopped, easily, effortlessly, with our time-proven method of hypnosis. If you regret the day you started smoking and are ready to do something about it, call us now. Just think how you'll feel, no longer a slave to a cigarette company that doesn't care about you. Here's why our one-session program is so effective. World-renowned hypnotic researcher John Petrocelli has invested over 12 years testing every smoking cessation method in the marketplace before implementing these techniques with our clients. And he's combined the most effective tools to help you break your cigarette addiction. Our unique, patented one-session hypnosis program, lasting approximately 3 hours, has helped even the most skeptical smoker quit smoking in just one session. You might have called the copycats in our profession and been told it takes 2 or even 6 sessions to stop smoking. And for the antiquated skill sets that they use, they may need that much. But our success rate is over 98%. Just ask any other company what their success rate is. For you smokers who no longer wish to be fooled, our center has more respect for you than to con you with the old gym club membership scam. You know the one. You sign up for a gym membership, well-meaning and intentioned, every year on January 1st, but when January 2nd rolls around, 90% of those good-intentioned members opt out of ever showing up and fulfilling their New Year's resolutions. And guess what? They've already paid the membership fee in full. Some of these other hypnotists or so-called addiction specialists will tell you that you need between 2 and 20 sessions to stop smoking, knowing full well that if you stop smoking in just one session, you won't come back. But you've already paid in full. Another thing they won't tell you is sometimes straight hypnosis is not enough. You have to replace a habit with a habit, or your mind will pick one automatically. Usually it's overeating or some other self-destructive habit. We mentally imprint and teach an easy, happy substitution technique to you that you can trigger invisibly, subconsciously banishing the craving once and for all. And the best thing is, no one will know you're doing anything. You'll also be equipped with an instantaneous technique to stop stress and anxiety in its tracks, anytime, anywhere. And think of how many times anxiety has triggered your need for a cigarette. When you exit our office, you'll feel fresh and relieved and relaxed. Our special gift to you at the end of your visit is 5 powerful mind transformational CDs. And as a matter of fact, it's the same CDs our staff utilizes for themselves on a daily basis to move you from the rut that you're in now to where you could have only dreamed of. Call now. Don't let another minute go by being a slave to cigarettes. And now you're probably wondering, how much is this going to cost you? This is the best part. When you look at how much money you'll be saving, not needing to feed your addiction, the one-time visit pays for itself in a matter of weeks. Think now. You can put that money to good use. Call now. Don't wait another minute. Professor Petrocelli has been here for over a quarter of a century, at your service, helping you achieve the freedom of being a non-smoker. Call now. We're in your corner. Let us prove it to you. Become a non-smoker. Be free to live a healthier, happier, more in control life.